Welcome to Delfast Excellent Medical. How can I help?
Hi, we've had an accident with our neighbour stop firing and we're desperate to get our jobs done before Christmas.
Oh dear. Okay. Is the neighbour showing any signs of life?
Yeah, the gas is loaded and the fan still works, but we don't know what we're doing.
Okay. I need you to stay calm and bring him to Dan. Feel free to bring someone with you.
Right, okay, we'll come now.
Alright, take care and we'll see you soon. Oh my goodness, I'll get some help.
What's going on? Oh, look. Steering. Prepare for surgery. Prepare gun for surgery. Can I please have some more light, please? Preparing for our incision. Opening up first layer. Flathead screwdriver, please. Attempting to remove a faulty part.
Clear. Clear.
Great news, team. It's all sorted. Just need to keep up on the upkeep of cleaning. But great news, you're about to get that fence line finished just in time for Christmas.
Cool, thank you.
Hey guys, it's that time again. First, we want to shout out to all the health staff around the globe for your tireless efforts over the global pandemic. You do an awesome job and we just want to thank you. Secondly, to our customers, our suppliers, our Delfast users, thank you for your support throughout 2022. It's much appreciated.
We're going on break the 23rd midday of December, and we'll have a full crew back on the 9th of January. But don't worry, because we have a skeleton crew to take care of urgent orders through on the 29th of December, the 5th of January, and the 6th of January.
Stay safe, enjoy the holidays, and we'll see you in 2023.